Hey, Mark, how's it going?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Good to connect.
So we have been going over all the stats for the month, but we haven't done condos yet.
No, and we're hurting in a nutshell, right? Sales are down
Yeah.
a lot more product than last year. And I just think it's tough. Some buildings have high fees, and maybe we don't have the right inventory in some buildings. That could be some of it too. We see some of the lower price condo fee buildings selling okay. There's a bit of inventory to choose some, but they're selling okay. Um, some higher price condos sold with low days on market that we'll cover off too, that I want to cover off. But other than that, the rest of the market kind of sucks.
It does. I'll pull up the numbers. And I did a couple cute little things this time.
Okay.
So sales 2024 for June 30,
Mhm.
last year 63.
52% change. It's huge.
52% down.
That's a huge that's a huge
Huge number, buddy. Huge number. But this is even more discerning to me. So year-to-date sales, Mark, 209 this year, 395 last year.
Yeah.
So for the first 6 months of the year, we're down 47%.
That's a lot.
We have seen in the housing market where some months were low,
Yep.
and then some months, there was February, March where we were actually above. So the overall difference in freehold, see
Yeah, show
here,
that. Yeah, show that year to date.
1209 and 1280. So with these in freeholds, we're only down in 6 months 5.5%
Yeah. Mhm.
for the first 6 months of the year, right?
Yeah.
But condos were down 47%.
It's a big number. It's a big number.
Isn't that a big bloody number?
Yep. It's a massive number. And I don't know. I mean, I think if there's the right inventory in a lot of these buildings too are old, a lot of them have high fees. Price points are okay for the market. People can't just qualify, and people don't want to have a mortgage and pay a $900 common element fee.
No.
They just don't.
So between 3 and 400, one sold 16 active.
Mhm.
4 to 500, 15 sold, 66 active.
Yep.
5 to 600, this is just shocking. 4,
Yeah.
69 actives. It's the highest range of actives.
A lot of listings in that category. I was looking at them today too.
Yeah.
Right.
And
Yep.
only 4 sales.
Mhm.
Where the 6 to 7, 7 sales, 35 list actives.
Yep. Okay. Yep. Yep.
7 to 8, 1 sold, 10 active.
Yep.
8 to 9 and 9 to a million, 0 sales.
Yep. Yep.
We have 8 listings between 8 and 9. We got 1 listing between 9 and a million. But we have 3 sales over a million
Yep.
and 12 actives.
Let's talk about that million over 3 sales this month. So 2 of them came from Lake House, and they were big units. One sold for 1.4 in change, only 8 days in the market. So
Yeah.
there you go. It comes to having the right inventory, the right buyer at the time. It's a beautiful unit. I think close to 17 or 1800 square feet. Stunning view, nice sized balcony. 8 days. When I pulled the history, I thought, oh, how many days is this? How many times have they done the price changes? But remember, this building is different and unique to the other buildings.
Yes.
It's like you live right in the water, you're so close to it. It feels like a cottage every day. Boom. Another one in Lake House sold for 1,200,000 and change, and was listed for, was days on market was 99. So when I went back to look at that, like, this is what I don't understand.
Okay,
Why?
is this the one I have? I have 2 got 95% a list. One was 21 days on the market.
Mhm.
One over 100 days with 3 price changes.
Yeah, that's the one right there.
This has got to be the one you're talking about.
Yeah, I am. I had 99s, but it could be 100. Yes, that's the one. And I think it started, I wrote it down. Yeah, it started at 1.5. So why did it, so my question is that this is what we're seeing a lot in the market, right? We're seeing a lot of this in the market in higher ranges, of course, in freehold, but look how good the freehold market's doing compared to the condos. I think there's, if someone wants to sell a condo today, they really have to look at the price. Why did the condo start at 1.5 and sell for 1,237,000? That's a big drop.
It's
So,
huge.
so it was priced wrong from the beginning.
Yes.
Bottom. So people have to stop, and I don't know where this is coming on. I've talked about it lots. You've commented on it lots. I really believe a lot of this listings out there are priced wrong for today's market. We can't price it for next year's market or the year after. We have to price what's going on right now in the marketplace, not anything, and not think, well, if I get my price, I'm really happy with it, and I won't. Then don't even waste everybody's time.
Well, don't you think at Lake House, because there was, they're brand new builds and there is really no market or comparables,
Well,
that they were just shooting for the sky, maybe?
they're fishing. And then, but then why did the 1.4 sell in 8 days? Because it was priced properly.
Yeah,
Bottom line, it was priced.
Yeah.
Is it timing for the market for the buyer? Maybe, maybe not. Why didn't the buyer go after the lower price one? I don't know, right?
I know.
So again, it's market timing too, and sometimes that plays favor to a seller too. But some of the pricing in this market for that, there needs to be some changes in some pricing strategies. And why are we trying this so high? We've seen it all.
Well, we'll take a look here and try to see days on market. Hopefully I can get
When
see
you're
the
doing
prop.
that, talk about the other condo that sold, and the other one was on Vancouver Street. That building's probably 25 years old. There's only about maybe 12 units in it, but very nice building, very nice size. And that was on the market for 21 days. And it sold for $1,050,000.
Really, eh?
Bad. Nice unit, nice kitchen. It was big. I love the unit. It had a view of the lake, but when the trees were all full, no, but nice location.
I don't
Nice.
see those come up very often.
No, neither do I. Rare.
They're rare, eh?
Yeah, I was shocked. And so
What are
what
the
I
fees like in there? Well, maybe I can check.
1,500. But
Oh,
there's only you're spreading out those costs over a small number of units. That's why.
yeah,
So
yeah.
right. And so when I took all the three, when there was 30 sales, I added all the 30 sales up to get average days on market for a condo in Barrie's 47 days. But what people have to keep in mind is I didn't go back and do the history. Right. So it's not really a true number, but some sold relatively okay. And more of what sold okay was the buildings at the lower price point. We had a good chunk of them sell, but we also had buildings with lower common element fees that sold relatively quick. So I think there's a market there for it if the common fee is cheap. And
Yeah. Well, I'm trying to see. So like these ones for me, it's kind of like misleading though, right? Because it says 7 days on the market.
it's a lot more probably expired. Look at the date.
Since December,
Right. And they didn't adjust the price. Good
same
luck.
price.
Because the common fee is 540 and it's a small 1 bedroom.
Yeah,
These are
and there's no balconies there.
I know. I know.
This is the one that I showed today that apparently has an offer now.
That's the right price for them. If they're small though, holy cow, they're so small. They're like 500 square feet. They're too tiny. They really are.
I wanted to see the history on it.
Common fee is okay.
No, it's only been on the market 2 days.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm sure
I
show.
wondered if I wonder, or 3 days. I wondered if they were like fudging and it had been canceled and relisted,
Huh.
but it hasn't. Let's try to look over in these Penetang Road things. Where? Oh, those are those new build weird things.
Yeah. I don't like them.
No. So this says 33 days on the market, 497, 2 bed, 2 bath. And these are the 960 fee.
They're you're not gonna find a buyer. There could be
No.
a buyer in the 400 mark, that likes that. But I'm gonna tell you right now, like when they see the condo fee, they're out. They've checked out. They get tits of food. It's too
Well, Mark,
expensive.
this thing has been listed 5 million 100 times.
Well, that's it. They're never gonna sell it.
Well, they were at 524 and then they rented it. They put it for rent. They put it for rent right now
Yeah.
and sale at the same time.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I mean, a lot of these, like I want to try to look up into.
Too much money.
I was in Chef Lane today, this area, and I didn't mind it.
Like the layouts, like the common element fee.
I like the layout. I like the common element fees.
It's not full concrete though. That you're gonna hear stuff. That's the only thing I don't.
Well, and you know what my other issue was? You won't believe this. We were walking down the hallway to the unit.
Mhm.
Like it isn't horrible.
Yeah.
We were walking down the hallway to the unit, Mark, and all of a sudden, right? I guess there's dogs allowed in the building, right?
There's.
And one starts barking right beside us, like when we're walking, and we both jumped because like it was a very vicious, loud bark.
Yep. Yep.
And both of us jumped and like knocked into each other. It was like, whoa, that
Yep.
was something. And
Yep.
then it started a chorus of other dogs.
I know. I
So
know.
I'm gonna get Grace to some. We ended up with 3 or 4 dogs all barking in the hallway.
I know.
Crazy.
I know. Great location, folks. I like it. I just don't like that it's not full concrete. So, and from hearing from other people that have lived in those units and buildings by that builder, noise was a big issue. So you have to keep that in mind. Love the layouts, love location, love the common element fee. Just don't like you're going to hear things. You're going to hear your neighbors.
Well, it
Like
says 19 days on the market. Let's see the history. Yep, it's 19 days.
yeah,
I like the layout. I'm with you.
layouts are great. Layouts, there's nothing wrong with the layouts on
And the
those.
fees were 411. Like it wasn't horrible.
No, it's decent for, again, fairly new building. Um, no, nothing wrong with those, nothing wrong with that at all. Nothing wrong with that at all.
No, I didn't like it. I wish we could so 499 Lakeside Terrace. I showed one in here today, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. I don't know if this is a water side or not. What I didn't like about that area, the parking was horrendous. Yeah, this is water. I actually parked in the no parking zone in the front of the building because I had to.
Yeah,
There's nowhere else to park. I even went over to the other buildings. There's nowhere to go.
they may have some underground parking for visitors too, eh?
Oh, really?
Yeah. We have a few spots at Lake House, I was for that too. But you got to go inside and get all that stuff done too, but we do.
But I'll tell you one thing, that noise was brutal.
Yeah, wow, look at location, look where you are.
It's right beside the 400.
Right, so. if
I
you come-
was impressed that when the sliding glass door was shut and we were in the living room, I couldn't hear barely anything.
Yep, I know.
I was
know.
actually impressed with that. I thought, whoa, this isn't horrible. And I opened the door and it was like, whoa,
Yeah, yeah,
Jesus, this is loud.
I know, I know, I know.
Collier.
Check out that, we don't see a lot of those come on the market.
I know, I want to see it. I never see these come on the market.
No, no, great location.
Yeah. I've never seen in here.
No. Layout's good.
Is
Nice
that
floor.
water?
What do you, how can you see that? It's not water.
Hardwood, updated kitchen.
Yeah, no. I like the look of it. Decent appliances.
That's a damn parking lot.
Yeah, not water.
Well, it looks like it's on the main floor, and that's sometimes a deal breaker. I don't mind it, but yeah, see?
Yeah, only the ground floor. What's the price on that?
Hold on.
Like the
I
location,
like the flipping building though.
absolutely. Yep,
510, 2 bed, 1 bath, 613,
okay, includes water, elevator,
almost 900 square feet, parking and a locker.
yep.
I don't mind it.
No, 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 I like the location. You know, when we look at the odd 2 bedroom and say Spice Way or even in the other ones that we had, when did it terminate?
Started in May at
Yeah,
529.
yeah. I think too is the ground floor.
A lot
Right.
of people don't feel safe in the ground floor, eh?
If that was up one more floor, I really believe that would have sold by now.
Yeah,
'Cause
it's a nice location, nice building.
yeah, it is. I got a friend that lives there. Yeah, it is. Yep. It's just that, you know what I mean? Just not feeling the love with that balcony on ground level.
Look at how many are at 599.
A ton of inventory in that category, in that range. Tons.
Greenwich, Mark.
Yeah, I think that's a little high for a 2 bedroom.
579.9, 21 days, 2 bed, 2 bath,
Yeah.
underground parking and a storage locker. I
Yeah.
like this building a lot.
I like the location. Yeah. There's no other buildings around. Like, I mean, you got that, and then you got the street of detached across the road.
Oh, this is small.
Yeah. Kitchen small, not bad not bad living area.
It's
Not
not
bad.
horrible.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
It's 2 bedroom,
I know.
two
How many
bath too.
yeah. Bedrooms are good sizes.
They are.
2 baths are nice. Wow,
Oh,
they got
this
the
is nice.
yeah, they got it all going on. Nice job. Love the location.
Yeah, I like this ones too.
Mm.
Fees are 430.
That's cheap. Go back to that. Go back. I want to look at it one more time. Not the pictures. I just want to see some of the details. Yeah. 579. No, that's
Fees are 3447.
these are cheap. I just think the price high. Underground.
9 foot ceiling. It's
1100.
between 1,000 and 1,200 square feet.
Yeah.
I
Mm.
don't know. It's pretty nice, Mark.
Yeah, I like the unit. Doesn't want. I love the location. Price point, maybe. I don't know. Hard to say, but I
Hold on. I want to see something.
think location's going to sell it.
So this
That's-
is 588, almost the exact same price.
Prices are disaster in that building. I've showed that building so many times in the last.
Oh my God. This is 588.
A disaster. It's all over the place. A disaster. Look at the kitchens. Tiny, tiny,
Well,
small.
Greenwich looks cheap.
What? Because this is really priced out to lunch. That's why. You
Good
know,
Lord.
I was seeing them, Dan. I saw 1 bedroom and did Den this year sell for 4.25. 4.25, and they're asking what? 5 and change? They crazy.
588.
Good luck on that one, folks. Same unit.
Yeah, it's under 800 square feet.
Pull the history on it and you'll see. No,
No,
well, there's going to be a lot of history coming on it because it's never selling for that ever. Not this year.
that's crazy.
Probably not next year. It's way overpriced. It's more than 100 grand overpriced. I think it's about 130, 140 price, if not more.
Yeah, that's small.
Stupid. Stupid. So it's there you go. We talk a lot about why things aren't selling because there's 10 million listings like that on the board that are way overpriced.
Well, and they're all almost at the same price.
Right.
Like we have pages and pages at in this price range.
Correct. Correct. It's a mess. The pricing is, I really believe the pricing is a mess. Then look, Coda, 649 on ground level, 649 for 2 bedroom. It's overpriced.
And
It's
the fee is
overpriced.
a million, or sorry. No, 568.
Yeah, and you get nothing.
Oh, yeah, there's nothing there.
Nothing there. Why are you paying 588? Why are you paying those crazy fees?
649, this one. I could buy a house for that.
Well, see, if we added up all the overpriced listings, and you know what, maybe that's our next video topic. We will check a range and then we'll pull them all up, and there's our next video for this week too. We'll pull them up in a certain range and we'll go through it, the overpriced listings that we believe. These are strictly our opinion, but I can tell you, we know the market fairly well, and some of the inventory is just priced wrong for the market that we're in today.
I
And
mean,
we
it's got nice big bathrooms, it's got nice closet, nice laundry room.
great location, but the price isn't great. Right? So if I look at that, would you take that or would you take the Greenwich building? I'd be all over Greenwich in a heartbeat.
Well, so would I.
So
This one's a bit bigger.
what's really positive though, what's really positive then for some of these properties that are, so it's even priced okay for the market, price properties like this help sell them. These are the decoys.
Yeah.
Let's go see what we get. Why is this 649? This is 588. Let's go view these both. I want to see the big difference. Well, there's the big difference.
Well, and you know what? Even today, when I was showing rental units and stuff, I said to her, I don't want to just take you to one anyway. I took her to Bell Farm, which
Yeah.
was horrible, by the way. But either way, I said you need to see more than just one thing. So even if we go to a building just to see the building in the area, to see
Yeah.
if you would want to even live there.
Oh yeah.
Because then if something comes up in that building
Yeah.
and you already know that building's out, it's out. I don't want to live there.
Yeah. Yeah.
So at least we can cross things off the list.
Oh yeah, I agree. Showed a couple, that's what I did with my young gentleman, showed him a bunch of buildings that where he wanted lower fees. So we only went to lower fee buildings, Spiceway. 40 Young, we went back 3 or 4 times different units. Pricing was just all over the map. I have discussions with the units. No, well, we're gonna keep it yeah, but one sold around yeah, no, we're gonna keep it. Oh, okay, well, see you later. Hello. You
Yeah,
have
that
sold in the building, but you're 150 grand overpriced. Well, that makes a lot of sense to me. That's the market that we're in. That's the
do you
market
think
that.
do you think some of them are looking at other prices in the building and not other condos in the city?
Well, there's 2 things that I think. Either the agent has no clue or the seller has no clue, bottom line. So 2 of them have no clue, bottom line. That's what I think. It's not hard to look at, and there's a lot of sales at 41 Young. Trust me. I know that building very extremely well. Extremely well. And that unit, they're selling that unit anywhere between 425 to say, and I've seen sales at 480, which I went, huh? How'd that happen? They got it. So pricing is very skewed over in that building. So
What
when you,
makes it so friggin' good? I don't even I'm not a big fan of the location. You like it, I don't.
I like the location. I like the building. I will say I like the building. I've showed it many times. They have some nice cool features in there. I do. I think the condo fees are cheap. You get a 1 bedroom, over there for say between 425 and 440. I think you're doing okay. 1 bedroom and a den. I've seen them.
But
So
you're on right on Young Street. I don't like that.
yeah, full concrete building. I don't mind it. I didn't mind it. Again, I don't mind it. I was attracted to the fees. They had a nice gym, they had some nice work areas, had a nice rooftop, they had some nice amenities. They did, but the pricing is wrong. And I also looked at some other buildings like the 3, buildings that we always talk about, Nautica. They have 11 active listings there. And one Grand Cayman listed 55 days in the market is conditionally sold. That's the big 1,864 square feet mall. It's beautiful. It shows extremely well. Toronto Street has 7 listings and Bayshore 140, 150 Dunlop has 6. And if we look at those buildings, Nautica, 11, a lot of them have triple days on markets. Takes a long time to sell a condo today. But
Yeah.
then all of a sudden, bang, the Grand Cayman. It's funny. 55 days in the market, right? Nicest suite there. Greatest view. Great floor plan. So there's demand for that. And then 2 in this building at Lake House sold fairly quickly. So if there's more Grand Caymans, they'd be sold. There's more units like that, I think they'd be sold. There's another unit in my building. I think it's on the 5th or 6th floor, million and change. But what wrecks it is you got a big pillar. You got a pillar.
I remember that one, yeah.
That's the killer. like, do you think you could have did something else? But you know, like I had one at my unit, an Antigua model at Nautica, but I had more frontage, so it wasn't
Yes,
right. I had like massive windows, so I didn't care. Some of these units don't have the massive, some do, the floor plans, but that one didn't. So it's an eyesore. It's an obstruction of the view. I don't think she's getting her money for that unit.
yeah, it's
So
right in the middle. And you know, too, when she bought that brand new, she wouldn't know that pillar was gonna be there.
no.
The floor model, when you look at just the outline of the flipping rooms, it doesn't show you where beams are.
Mm-mm, mm-mm.
So she would have never known that.
No, and then
Or
you know,
he, I don't know who owns it.
yeah, it's expensive, right? So that's the thing. And I think that's why it's sitting. It has a great view, has a nice size to it, but I don't like that is obstruction. So the other ones didn't have that.
Yeah,
Like I'm impressed at 8 days in the market for a $1.4 million condo.
I'm shocked.
Oh, shocked, right? So, and then what was the price in the Grand Cayman? I didn't write it down. Shit. But 55 days and he's got something, and it showed extremely well. I thought it was well done. So, yeah.
Oh, I might be able to show it.
Yeah, pull it up. I think
What was the price?
we'll just go Nautica, just put it's well, just put 33 or 37 L. I forget what side it was on, and pull it up. The floor plan is probably the best floor plan that I've seen in a condo yet in this city. I would pick
Well,
this.
it's not coming up. Uh-oh, hold on, I gotta plug it in. It's not coming up, Mark.
Well, are you on? It is. Put 33, 37 Allen Street condos.
Well, I'm in all active condos right now.
Well, pull it up. It's there.
Hold on. It's not coming up.
No, then maybe they firmed it up today. I didn't look
Oh,
at the
yeah,
date.
because I have it available, so
Okay.
I'm gonna have to pick unavailable.
Yeah,
Can you see Gracie?
I can't see her.
She jumped up on my chair.
I didn't see her.
I had to plug in my computer here.
All right.
Are we on share screen?
Not right now, we're not.
There we go. So you want me to do available and unavailable?
Is it available and just go to 33 Allen? Don't put it. Yeah, just go
No, it
available.
didn't come up, Mark.
All right, think the one available then. I don't need to see available. If we want, we can. We can go over some days on market and show the audience that this is what we're seeing in that building, and it's double digits. Some trouble, a lot of history, a lot of relists, a lot of price reductions in a sense. And there's a lot of demand for different size, different views too. How far are you going back in years?
You know what? Let me pick a date.
And you only have 33, you gotta put 37.
Oh, I thought you said 33.
No,
No updates.
I don't know what to tell you.
Okay, let me go back to available.
Get a freehold. There it is. You'll see it's good. Come on. There it is right there, 1.63. It's right
Are
there.
you joking me?
Well, you only put 33, that's why. So pull up the pictures.
Holy crap. Holy crow.
They got 3 underground parking spots with that.
Ooh, really?
It's nicely done. Don't love the browns. It could be, but it's nicely done. The model's great. Like very nice work. Look at the windows. The view is spectacular. I really like what they've done here.
Beautiful, eh?
I would have got rid of this dark kitchen. That's original. I would have got rid of that. That would have been the first thing to go. I hate it.
People still like that.
Yeah, I would have been all nice and white. See, look how nice that looks. This is the bedroom.
Oh, that's the bedroom.
Yeah, it's nice, eh? Look at the view.
Safe. Closet.
It's big. Bathroom's not bad. It's big.
Big. Oh, they have a bidet. What's that?
That's like a works. It's like a printer.
Oh, it's a workstation that goes into the wall.
Pretty neat, eh?
Yeah,
Well thought out. Nice bathroom. A lot of built-ins. I like how the bed folds up. Boom, comes down.
I like that.
Yeah,
A 1.6 mark?
yeah. One sold last year, a little higher than that, so I'm not surprised. And keep in mind, you got 3 parking locations.
Yeah.
There's 100 grand of parking, right? So I'm not surprised. Great view,
Wow.
right? Real nice view. That's the view. So 55 days of market.
Fees are 1271. Taxes are 8,909.
Big dollar condo.
Wow.
Big dollars, right?
Jesus.
I know, but a lot of nice facilities there. So, okay, I think
Yeah, so here is our final our numbers at this point, people, and it's not great.
it's not great. No, no.
No. So if you hear anybody or any kind of agent or any kind of advertisement saying the condo market is heating up in Barrie.
Yeah, just think of Mark Ferris because that's his famous line.
Well, even that Barrie Today article, same thing.
Condo market's not heating up. Say it. But that's the thing. Again, why? The buyers think it's overpriced, everything. We're seeing transactions down that much money. We're going through some of these and going, look at the price of that. I know one sold near because we do so much content on these. We know the pricing of a lot of these buildings. And we know what's scaring some buyers away. Boom. And
Yeah.
if we had, 10 of those Grand Caymans for sale, yeah, they'd be gone within 90 days. If we
Well,
had
people watch for those suckers
people
though.
watch them, they always move fast, that building, no matter what market we're in. They always move well,
Yeah, I know.
right? And Kristen Cripps sold one. I think it was her unit, I think, last year. Stunner. What a stunning unit.
Yeah, me and you and I pulled that up.
Yeah, it was a beautiful unit. Oh, that was nice. Hers was just a little bit nicer than what she turned over. So it was great. So yeah, there's buyers waiting for those units. I think there's buyers waiting for a right condo to come up, but it has to be the right location, it has to be the right building, it has to be the right fit for them. And they have gazillions to choose from in lower price ranges, and they're not selling. So anyway, there's a little niche market there for the right building. So anybody wants any more information on the Barrie condo market, reach out to Dan and myself and follow for more information on the Barrie real estate market.
And drop us a comment if you want us to cover anything for you.
I agree. Okay, see you.
See ya.